It's February 2nd, 2011. We just had a really nasty blizzard roll through last night and dumped all sorts of snow. So I went to the hardware store. That's a logical thing to do. I have to fix my sink. So I got my nice made in China pop-up assembly junk. Some plumber's putty and some electrical thing. Anyway, I thought this was pretty remarkable, and I would document the drive home. So let's go. This is my friendly local hardware store. So Dutch Urban Miner. I had made a comment on one of his videos about the Dutch and people here in Michigan, and he was making a remark that the Dutch sold New York to the U.S. and that's true. Not from the Indians first, but that's another story. Anyway, this whole area here in West Michigan at one time, before people were here, wasn't viable land because it was just a swamp. So the Dutch people, always appreciating a good deal, bought the land and drained it, and so they grew onions here, what they sold to the French, and did very well with some other things. So anyway, but it was interesting. Our Holland, Michigan, probably looks quite a bit different than the Holland in Europe. Anyway, so we got, they're saying, a guy in the hardware store said about 2 feet, but it was really drifting. So some areas will have no snow and you can actually see the grass, and others you can't. It's on my back porch, there's probably about 4.5 feet of snow, or like 1.5 meters maybe, which is absolutely wild. Unfortunately, I can't, unless they've plowed since I was out last, I can't take my usual way home, but I can go the back way. I think it's interesting how much snow is just sort of laying around, and how narrow these roads are. I'll put you in the dash here. Yeah, we don't get snowstorms. Oh, almost fell off. We don't get snowstorms like this very often. Matter of fact, this is probably a once in a 15-year event. I'm sure glad I'm not responsible for doing all the shoveling and all that around my house, because I would not be out here in the cold. It's about, I think 11 or 12 degrees, which is negative 12 Celsius or something. That's nuts. This is where I live. Hoping I can get in. Let's see. Yeah, that'll be fine. So anyway, I gotta stop. Look at that. I don't know if you can see how much snow that is, but that's at least up to where the top of my head in snow. Again, I don't know how well the camera's picking this up, but hang on, I gotta stop right here. I'm looking straight out the window, sitting in my car, and I can't see over the snow. This is nuts. Oh, there the guy is doing the plowing. Better him than me. Nice. And there we are. All right, thanks for watching.